really want to catch this one, but this one's fine too. This one would also be nice, but this one looks like freaking destroyed. It sounds nice. Compressor, that is. And the fan started. Oh. I'm not waiting around to catch this thing turning back on. But yeah. It's actually a 2018 2.5 ton. And there's a mirror star right here. I don't know. Go up and scroll. That was a good defrost though. I like the steep show, but I'm not waiting around for it to turn back on, so sorry, guys. And sorry if you wanted the Ameristar today. I'm gonna have to come back on a real snow day for that one. For this one right here. But I think I've gotten enough, so. Anyways, thank you for watching.